Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sablefish fillets. Start by selecting fresh, firm fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick, for even cooking. Pat them very dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, crispy sear. Then, season both sides generously with fine sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, preparing them perfectly for the pan. This simple preparation lays the groundwork for a delicious meal. To achieve that perfect sear, heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it is very hot. Add 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, swirling to coat the pan. Carefully place the sablefish, skin side down, into the hot pan, pressing gently to ensure full contact. Let it sear undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes, creating a gorgeous golden brown crust. After searing, transfer your skillet directly to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This method ensures the fish cooks through evenly without overcooking the delicate flesh. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, adjusting for fillet thickness. The fish is perfectly done when it easily flakes with a fork at its thickest part, appearing opaque throughout. This dual cooking method guarantees a tender interior. While your fish rests, prepare a simple yet elegant sauce to enhance its natural richness. In a small pan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over low heat. Stir in the juice of half a fresh lemon, adding a bright, zesty counterpoint. Finally, fold in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill or parsley, which truly complements the fish's flavor beautifully. This quick sauce elevates the entire dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.